Good evening once again. Guys, last class I explained Power BI introduction and it was first demo. And 20 minutes I explained about institute, what we cover, what we provide. Later I explained about data to Microsoft Fabric understanding. So this is for 40 minutes or 50 minutes explain. Complete understanding. And today I will explain first demo recap for 10 minutes. And then practical part we will see today. And regular classes from Monday, 7 to 8 p.m. sharp. And who all joined today, no need to feel panic. I'll be sharing first demo video and document. Kindly go through it for understanding this. And also watch today's video for your practical. Complete the practical, however I'm practicing, and feel comfortable, then continue from Monday. And as I told you, my subject is planned for real-time projects. Any kind of project, you are suitable. If you want to face interviews, highly suitable. And PL 300 examination, you want to appear. This is Microsoft Power BI certification exam. You want to appear? Yes, you can appear. It's a very detailed training. And don't write anything. Once again, I'm telling you, don't write anything. Simply listen to it. Enjoy the session. And if you're stuck anywhere, if you're not clear anywhere, feel free and ask me. But today I'm going to use little more technical words than yesterday because we are entering into technical component for practical. So you see little more technical words today. So IT people and non-IT people both will enjoy today's session. Only listen to it. Don't bother about navigations. Don't bother about practice. And don't consider like a demo. And don't write anything. Right. And this is my contact number if you need any guidance. And daily timings, my call timings, especially 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And if you need both the demo videos, demo documents, and provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. Once again, I'm giving here. Right. So I'm going to give you first demo recap. This is second demo agenda, first demo recap. Last class I explained about the duration, what I'm going to cover, what we provide, everything. The same thing I'm going to show you now. My name is Vinay and this is my contact number. I'm working as a BA lead consultant and course duration 60 hours. Daily 1 hour is the class. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Monthly 2 Saturdays you are having sessions. And we provide daily live class videos and the access will be given till 1.5 years to near real-time projects, multiple case studies. And theory and practical material also provided. And no prerequisite, anybody can start up Power BI. Whether you have Excel knowledge or SQL knowledge, no matter, happily you can start up. Any graduate can learn Power BI. And it's fully graphical user interface component, graphical component, and low code. And my training starts from the basics to very advanced level. In case you're looking for a fast track way, call me on my number. I'll tell you how do you finish in fast track way. But I don't prefer fast track way because my 1 hour equal to, in case of my classes, my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. 95% people, whoever decided to go for fast track. Later, they converted to normal track. Trainer explanation for true hour equal to 2 hours equal to for you daily 6 hours practice. It's not that much easy. But in our institute, whatever we are giving, that is sufficient. So you can prefer for fast track, normal track, my classes, no doubt in that. In case really you want to complete in 1 month, call me on my number. I will suggest you how to go. And this is just recap of yesterday's part. So I'm maintaining little speed, kindly cooperate. And you are entering into BA projects. So you need to have business intelligence, data analytics, data analysis, project components. So these are the components. Like the warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, project lifecycle methodology, agile, and project code controlling methodology and component GitHub. These all I will explain. 2 near real-time projects required for your better hands-on and knowledge. And many case studies we'll discuss. And database knowledge is compulsory. Minimum level or basic level database knowledge is compulsory. Because in the real time, you may work with databases to generate reports. Your input may be a database. How do you understand and work? Compulsory SQL language knowledge is required. I will give you 3 to 4 hours, but this is not sufficient. So learn from anywhere, complete a course. And there are 9 topics which are very important. I'll tell you those topics, prioritize it. And tabular cubes. MSBA tabular cubes, knowledge added advantage. Why and what is tabular cube? Slowly you will understand. But this I will cover for 2 hours. And the people who are preparing for a job, resume preparation is compulsory. And FAQs discussion mandatory. These 2 I will do it. I'll share the videos as well. Mock interviews. Who all completed subject properly, they can take mock interviews. Not only mock interviews, if they ask for interviews conduction, yes, we will do it. We'll arrange interviews. And companies approach us for interviews. Small company, medium company, and a couple of large companies approach us for interviews. And actually this month we got from 5 companies, small and medium companies for recruitment. I will show you also. And coming to Power BI subject. Power BI available cloud level, Power BI available on premises. So both the components I'm covering. I can confidently say in the complete market, whole market, I'm the only trainer covering cloud and on premises. Both. And Power Apps and Power Automate, these 2 I'm covering 4 hours. Compulsory required. Power Apps and Power Automate basic knowledge. So this is related to project and this is related to Power BI subject. Both I'm covering. And institute provides theory and practical material. Daily live class video, no need to ask. Whether you're online, offline, no matter, you will receive video. And the training is fully practical on the training. And you will be having very good interaction with me in the classes and after the classes. I will help you in the resume preparation. And for our communication, for the updates, notifications, there will be one WhatsApp group. FAQs also discussed in the classes. And after completing this course, easily you can keep less than 5 years in Power BI. Try for these positions. These are Power BI related positions. And 90% opportunities on this Power BI developer plus SQL, 90%. That I will cover. You can try as a support resource. You can try as an admin resource. So my course including support responsibilities, my course including admin responsibilities. So these 2 are different from the development, but all I will cover. So confidently you can try in these positions. Even data analyst you can try. And even data scientist. When you go for data scientist role, they will ask you one reporting tool. Power BI is highly helpful for you. So data analyst, data scientist, these roles also you can try. But you want to keep more than 5 years? Yeah, you can keep, and you can expect wonderful career in Power BI. Power BI modeler job available, designer role available, specialist role available, architect role. But you cannot get normally knowledge for this from the subject. Subject is different, practice is different. But if you want to work on this level, 1 or 2 projects, entire knowledge required. And this is what first I explained yesterday. And then I explained about data to fabric hierarchy. What is data? How many types of data available? What are the storages we have? What are the formats we keep? And then how many types of IT applications available? And major application BA, and BA application level history, legacy BA, mid-level BA, modern BA. And Power BI comes under modern BA. And Power BI announced in 2013. And Power BI from 2013 to 2019, it is independent. But 19, it is part of Power Platform. And Microsoft expected a lot about Power Platform along with Power BI, but marketed in a different way. So now in 2023 June, they announced Fabric, where Power BI is part of Fabric. So the component which you are learning is part of Microsoft Fabric. So this is a hierarchy you are supposed to know. I explained very clearly in the last class. Kindly go through yesterday's 1 hour video or 1 hour 10 minutes video for this complete discussion. And what I'm going to cover today. Today, these are the things I'm going to cover. What is the input and output of Power BI? And yesterday itself I covered difference between MSB and Power BI. So today I'm not going to cover again. So what is the input and output of Power BI? What are the components we have in Power BI? Showcase a small sprint or case study or user story for family expenses, decision making. But before that, download, install Power BI software. Download, install Power BI software. This also I cover. These are 4. And finally, I will go for frequent last questions, or I'll address your questions. And QA time. And mostly 8-10 onwards. So this is the agenda for today. And before that, if anyone wants to ask any questions, kindly call me. Sorry, kindly ask me. Take your mic and ask if you want to ask now. Offline people, even you can ask. Or you want to discuss about your career, or you need a guidance properly. And this is my number I already given. Call me on this number between 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 8 p.m. to 10 p.m.
So what is the QA time?
Today, 8-10 p.m. onwards for the current demo class.
I mean QA time. QA, like what is the QA? So it's
Question answer, yeah. For your questions, I'll give you
sorry,
answers.
sorry.
No
I'm
problem.
thinking like QA means quality assurance, something like SWAT.
No, not at all.
Vinay,
So any questions anyone wants to ask before I continue with fresh part?
Vinay, can you hear me, Vinay?
Yes, Uday.
Yeah, I have a question, Vinay. Like, I just wanted to know, like, is there any offline batch in the morning so that
Yes, there are 4 batches going on. Total 6 batches offline, online.
morning at around 8 o'clock?
Yes, 8 o'clock is ongoing batch. It's a
Yeah.
20 days ongoing batch. 20 days old ongoing batch go right now available, but next 8 o'clock batch after Sankranti. Hello, Uday.
Yeah, and understand, Vinay. Like, I just wanted to join in the morning batch, so I don't think so. I can wait till January 15th or 16th. So
Yeah,
I'm planning to join as early as possible.
yeah, we have
So
multiple batches and all the batches are well planned. So 8 o'clock batch, the schedule is after Sankranti immediate. Next,
and
Muzammil, Monica, Khan, Arvind, Dell, iPhone,
Yeah, yes.
Karthik, Kavita, Kolusu. Any questions?
Yeah, hi. I have one question.
Yes, please,
Vinay
quickly.
sir. Like, is from Monday 7 p.m. It's a confirm batch, or again you will be taking couple of days to start?
Only 2 demos. Immediately after 2 demos, immediate sessions.
Okay,
I
Monday
don't
again.
have yes, I don't have any failures in the demo classes.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah,
I
great.
don't worry.
Great. Thanks.
Hello, yeah, hi Vinay sir.
Yes, please.
Yeah, this is Izar. I just wanted to ask some questions related to this Power BI and one more, certification I wanted to. That is AZ104. Okay, can you hear me?
It's not Power BI certification.
No, the AZ104 courses. Just I wanted to do. So I want to do both multiple courses,
Mhm.
Power BI and AZ104. Okay.
Okay.
So for Power BI, so could you please help me to write an examination? I mean, after completion of these courses.
Yes, I will help you on Power BI. Don't worry.
Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Welcome.
sir.
Next.
Yeah. Hi, Vinay. This is Arvind.
Yes,
Can you
Arvind.
hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
Arvind.
My question is like, when will you start a fresh batch? Like, probably on January, is it possible?
There are multiple batches actually. So January also we have 3 batches.
Will it be on morning?
Yeah, morning, evening. See, now evening we started. So next batch will be morning. And once every 1 week, 10 days, we have a new batch.
Oh, okay. Then the next upcoming batch will be around this December end or January.
Immediate to Christmas. Next batch.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Not next week, but immediate to Christmas. 26th around we will have new batch. That is
Okay.
in the
It's
morning batch.
online and offline, both, right?
Yeah, both online, offline. Perfect.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
Hey, thank you. Thank you so much. And keep my number with you and ask your questions if you have any questions, or you can chat with me. But I may not respond immediately in the WhatsApp, but definitely I'll address your questions. Right, sir. Thank you. And I will continue with the fresh part. So what is the input and output of Power BI? I will write here. This is, I'm concluding because yesterday I explained clearly. Input is any data, any type of data, anywhere data. And output is report or dashboard. This is output. And what are the differences between them? Also, I explained yesterday. I'm not explaining again. But what is Power BI? In simple terms, so definition 1, some people say crazily adding power to existing BI. Crazy definition. Already Microsoft having BI, MS BI. For that, more extension is Power BI. More features adding is Power BI. And some people say like this, powering BI is Power BI. Definition 2, and this is a Microsoft definition. A self-service BA application with low code and on-premises and cloud available to generate reports and dashboards from data. So from your data, reports and dashboards generated, and low code application, end-to-end BA application, both cloud and on-premises available. What is cloud? What is on-premises? What is self-service? Yesterday explained. So these are two definitions. Next, what are the components Power BI has? There are 8 major components and 4 major concepts. Please remember, 8 major components and 4 major concepts. First one, cloud components. Second one, on-premises components. Whoever interested for on-premise components. Third one, Power BI report builder. Fourth one, Power BI developer. Fifth one, not fifth. Yeah, make it fifth, no problem. Gateway. And cloud components. A. Power BI desktop. The name implying desktop, a graphical component. Why do we require? To develop reports by doing all BA process, business intelligence process. What are the process? Yesterday explained. And those processes use Power Query concept, Power Pivot concept, Power View concept, Power Map concept. So these are the 4 major concepts. Only to develop the reports. Nothing more than that. And we go to Power BI service. Cloud people required Power BI service. This is to store, actually, this is a URL to connect and work on app.powerbi.com. To keep the reports, manage the reports, share the reports, etc. All possible in this area. Store, manage the reports. And coming to on-premises level, in case customers not interested for cloud. Cloud means somebody else storage. Somebody else's and in this situation, Microsoft storage. On premises within the organization storage. And here also we require 2 components. One is Power BI, but we use the word report server. We use the word report server only. So we have a report server desktop. which will perform reports. So report generation. And we have a server where the reports we will keep, manage, etc. So people who are interested for on-premises, they go to this. People interested for cloud, they go to these components. Now report builder, very important, please notice. Added in 2017 to develop paginated reports. What is paginated reports? Report data in multiple pages, and each page is printable. If report data you're able to take in multiple pages and each page is printable, that is called paginated report. What about desktop? Note, very important. Power BI desktop reports are non-paginated. So you cannot divide the rows into multiple pages and you cannot print it. One more example I will give you. You have 100 rows, comma, you need 10 pages, and in each page 10 records. Also printable. That is called pagination. Everyone remember, technically, if you want to become stronger, you need to learn this. So Power BI report builder is a newly added component in 2017 to develop paginated reports. If you have 100 records and you need 10 pages, in every page 10 records required, then go to this and each page is printable. And Power BI developer. To develop our own visuals. What is visual? Graphical data presentation area. So in case you don't like Microsoft visuals and you want to construct your own visuals, possible. You can create. Next, gateway. Intermediary between on-premise applications to cloud. So from your application to cloud applications, you want to move the data or you want to provide communication, gateway is compulsory. So these are the 8 components and 4 concepts. These are the 4 concepts. These are the 8 components. Don't worry, slowly you will understand each and every component. We are going to discuss all the components except this in the class. And what I'm going to cover, that index also last class I placed. Guys, this is a folder created for your batch. I believe you all received this folder. So this was your folder. I believe you all got the link for this folder. There I given the checklist. I will open. So 7 p.m. These are all I'm going to cover and I'm going to spend this much of time on every topic. Projects and all. 2 projects, 4 hours. And Power BI service level, what I'm going to cover and how many days. Extracting data, Power Query, data model, visuals level, what I'm going to cover. Everything I clearly given. Kindly go through. Even today's video, go to the same link. There's the first demo and second demo you will receive here. 16, 12, Power BI, second demo. And in this demo level, I will place the document also, demo content. This is a demo content. Whatever I'm explaining, I'm placing. One example to practice also required. So this is an example for your practice, which I'm going to explain. And you require some data to practice. Today's example, the data also I'm adding. So whatever you require, I'm adding today. Only the video I will place. After a few minutes, I will place. Don't write anything, just listen to it. It's a demo class. So I maintain little speed, but regular class, I go very slowly. Now I will show you the picture regarding these components. Concentrate. You are interested for cloud, Power BI desktop for report development, Power BI service for storing and managing. Customers will contact this and they will work on cloud only. And if you want to work on this, you require account, cloud account. I'll give you the account. And these are the concepts we implement in the desktop level. And on-premises level, within your company you want to do. Again, Power BI reports or desktop, it will do these concepts or it will implement these concepts. But if you want to share it to customer, you want to manage it, you need to move to server. From here only customers will access. So 1, 2, 3, 4, report builder 5, developer 6, 7, embedding. I will explain what is embedding later. Gateway. So these are the 8 components and these are the 4 concepts in Power BI. And today I'm going to explain a report development, this component, these concepts. Next half an hour, we're going to see this. Installation onwards, a practical. Kindly stay tuned. Don't sign off. And even you need to practice this. If you're new to Power BI, kindly practice this. The example is this. So this is my family expenses. My family expenses daily data. You can call it as transactional data. Everyday spending available, and this data is lockdown time data. Every day, how much money I spent, for which reason I spent, which area I spent, in which location I traveled. Clearly available daily transactions. And from this, I want to generate a fully understandable decision-making report. Easy, interactable decision-making report. So I need year, I need month. If you want to see in a particular year and month, what is the total money I spent, what is the average money I spent, maximum money I spent, minimum I spent, I want to see based on the selection. If I select year, only year data, month data, combination data. Not only that, for which reasons I spent more money, which reasons I spent less money, I want to see. And also in every location level, how much percentage of money I spent, every location level. And the areas I traveled. Graphical I want to show. So this is called transactional data. This is called analytical data. And I want to convert this normal data like this. You can easily do this by using a component called Power BI Desktop. Sir, how it does? It has multiple concepts. So first one, your data, it will take. It can perform intermediate operations if the data is not proper shape. It will establish relationships if multiple tables available and you're using on the visuals, compulsory relationships required. That will be established here. If you want security, the security mentioned here. Finally, visual generated, graphical visuals. This is a visual. And this information is called decision-making information. Some people say business intelligence information. So from your normal data, a business intelligence data, I want to generate. For that, I'm taking Power BI desktop help. Since it is doing all these operations, we call it as self-service BI. What is self-service? If you go to a hotel, self-service. If you go to a party, self-service. So you take the plate, you go to the queue, you bring your food, you complete your food, and then keep the plate somewhere else. Everything end to end, you only do it. That's what self-service. Here, Power BI desktop will get the data, does everything, and finally gives decision-making data. Okay. Good. Shall we do the practice? Now, where is the data? First, I will show you this, and then I will go to this. Finally, I will generate this. Let me open the data. This is my data. So for our comfortness, I'm taking Excel data, but in the regular class, our content is different. I already shared with you. In the regular class, what we discuss? Extraction data, unstructured source, semi-structured source, structured source, and we work on multiple files and tables creation with languages, databases data. These all I'm going to explain the regular class. But demo
Can I
practice
mention,
purpose, I'm going for Excel sheet. Yes, please ask your question.
like, is there any way to extract data from streaming, for example, Kafka or something like that? Is this
Yeah,
possible?
possible, absolutely possible.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, sir. Awesome లేదు. Awesome లేదు. Right. So this is the data available. And if you see this, first two lines are normal data. And next all, column by column data. Date, amount, reason, area, location. So this is your data. Many records available. Now what is required? Data ready. What is required?
We have to transfer the
Application.
data.
No, we require application. This Power BI desktop application required. So how do you get that? Very simple. Desktop. What is desktop? The area where we do operations graphically. Windows desktop, Windows operations graphical. Tableau desktop, Tableau operations graphical. Tableau component operations. Power BI desktop, Power BI operations graphical. Simply Power BI graphical operations area. And hardware software requirements. Very minimal sufficient. But detailed requirements I will give you on Monday in our regular class. So guys, who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number so that you will receive today's demo video and document. Even yesterday's demo video and document. Quick. So very minimally sufficient. But detailed requirement you want, on Monday I will tell you. So if you have Windows 8 or above, good. And minimum 2 GB RAM is required. Minimum 1.5 GHz processor is required. So nowadays all the laptops having minimum this. So all the laptops sufficient. I mean desktop sufficient. But detailed requirement on Monday because it will take some time. And how to download it? 3 ways. Simply Google it. Go to advanced download. Go to advanced download. and no account is required in the advanced download, simply download it. And Power BI having couple of accounts actually. Pro, Premium, Capacity, Fabric. Without any account, you can download Power BI software. But Monday, you will download Power BI software with account because we are going to give you. And you will download from the Microsoft Store this software. There are slight differences between normal download and Microsoft Store download. You will come to know on Monday. But for the time being, just go to advanced download without any account and download it. Sir, how to install? Very simple process. Just click on it. Next, finish. Just click on it. Next, finish. So these are the minimal requirements. And this is the way we download and next, finish.
One question. Actually, I've already downloaded the Power BI desktop from store. Should I delete it or?
No, you can keep it in continue.
Okay, thank you.
Right. So I'm Power BI desktop download. Downloads. Download Power BI tools and apps. Microsoft Power BI desktop. This is advanced download. This is normal download. And here, no account. No Power BI account. Here, account compulsory. Either Microsoft account or Power BI account. Click on advanced download. Always Microsoft change its description. Read fresh. Don't ask anyone. Even next couple of years, you're working with Power BI. Never ever ask anyone regarding the download instructions, download process. Google it, you will get it. The fresh requirement process. Time to time, the requirements, time to time, the process also changing. Though it is very simple, but they're changing it. Even this definition is a fresh definition, 1 month ago updated, a beautiful definition. What exactly that component does. And see the details. So which version you're downloading? Date published, Microsoft recently published. November 22nd, the comp software. What exactly desktop does? I said all these things, getting data, generating report. System requirements, what all required. Installation instructions, simply next, finish. So if you want to download Power BI desktop anytime, Google it and read the requirements, read the installation step, follow it. And click download here. There are two types of software available. One is 32-bit system type. Second one, 64-bit system type. Sir, how do I come to know which one is ours? So guys, go to type here to search sysinfo. In the search bar, you type sysinfo, system information. It will show you. And here you will find system type 64-bit, 64 based PC, x64. So you need to download the software related to this. And that is this, download 461 MB. If your system is showing here 32-bit, that is x86. x86 indicate 32-bit. In that situation, you download this software. So go to system information. At this PC properties also fine. Under this PC properties also, you find what type of system type you are using. Accordingly, download. Once completed, you will find like this. And then go to this. next, finish. What I say simply, but follow wizard instructions. So it will open a wizard and ask you next, etc. Just follow it. So very simple. And max 2 minutes to install. Maximum 2 minutes. Because the lightweight software. Once the installation completed, you can find the component on your machine desktop. This is your machine desktop. Now you can open. So this is called as, once you open, you will find like this. This is called as get started page. Quick reference links area. Explain you in detail on Monday. It will take some time. I will explain in detail on Monday. You can close this. So this is the main window. And we call it a self-service BI window. Because if you have data, the extraction part, the transformation part, the modeling part, the secure part, the visualization part, everything it will do, and finally business intelligence data it will generate. Fixed process. First time if you look at this and see this, you may feel panic. Yeah, what is this? But daily you come across the same, daily we use the same. So you feel bored after 2 days. Process same. You will get the data, you will transform it, you will model it, you will secure it, you will visualize it. And this one you want to do this area, 2 you want to do this area, 3 you want to do this area, 4 you want to do this area, 5 you want to do this area. Very close navigations. Very close. All the navigations. And this is called as on top, quick save. This is quickly save option. This is the title of the report. And this is account. Already I connected with an account. And this is minimize, maximize, and close. Regular options. And this is menu tabs. Remember the word tabs. File menu tab, home menu tab, insert menu tab, modeling menu tab, view menu tab, etc. Right now, home is underlined, home options available. So this is called home ribbon. Home ribbon options. And these are called 3 views. Views. And this is called as report view. Where visual we will take, plus data we will take, and concept we will implement. This is data view. So data visible. Whatever the data you have taken, data visible. And technically when you speak data view for import mode, there is a topic called import mode, that import mode data. And this is called model view. At normal logical way, we'll say relationship view. So these are the 3 views available. And this is called pane, filter pane. And you'll find filter options. Visualization pane, 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 rectangle with multiple options. Rectangle with multiple options. So in this area, you find visuals, and those are Microsoft given visuals plus third-party visuals. Both you will find. And this is the area where we have data. So data. So we call it as data set area. And data set, because set of data elements available. Set of data elements. So what are the elements? First element is query. Query nothing but set of columns. Second, it contains list. List nothing but single column of values. And parameters, functions, etc. available. So 3 panes, one area filtering, one area visualization, one area data. And Power BI report can have multiple pages, page 1 plus page 2 plus page 3 plus page 4, like this you can take. In case Power BI desktop is refreshed for Microsoft side and you want to refresh, click on this to get the fresh one. Update available, latest update. So this is all about Power BI desktop important options. And in our current example, I'm going to show you extracting the data. One, my family expenses data I will extract. I know my data is not in proper shape. I need to do shaping. Two, I will show you. But only one source I'm having. So this is not applicable. Modeling not applicable. In our current exercise, I did not use the word secure the data. So fourth one not applicable. But I said visualization required, visuals. Fifth one required, fifth one. So in the complete business intelligence process, 1, 2, 5, I'm going to show in this example. Any report in the real time, you follow the same order and prepare. Any report, you follow the same order and prepare. Okay? Right. Don't worry, in case you feel the video faster, make it slow in the while watching level and watch slowly. You know how to control the speed of video. First, get data to bring the data. Excel data. Where is the data available? Anywhere. Family expenses. Open. Select it. Click load. Now click on this. So once the data you retrieve, it is available in the data area. Data set area. And you want to see that. Click on this. Data view area. So when you bring it, it is available here. And if you want to see this, click on the data view, it is showing here. So first time navigations look new, later normal. See the data, something is not correct. Actually, this is supposed to be column heading. Date, amount, reason, area, location. And this is not data. So we should not take. So this is supposed to be column heading, first one. Second one, So if you want to make this one as column heading, this you need to remove it. So remove these two records and make this as column heading. Two operations required. This is supposed to be column heading. Then only it will be a proper shape. I will write here. Power BI expects column by column for better analysis. But this is not column by column. We need to create a proper shape. As this is not in column by column format, we need to shape it. For that, we should go to transformation area. This is the second area, which can also be called power query area. For your query, more power you are giving. For your query, more power you are giving. So this is the first one, this is the second one. Next, if your customer says, Babu, area analyze separately, location analyze separately, then we need to split area and location to two columns. How many columns? Two. Otherwise, area location are combined. So this is a third operation. Now, to make this data in a proper shape, three operations we need to perform. Remove the first two records, make this as first record, and then split this into two columns. How? As I told you, report view, get data completed. Second step in nearby only. Go to this transform. So this is Power Query area. I click transform. In this area, transform. And then it opened a separate window. And this is the only one window system opens for our transformations. Once it is completed, here is a place we have options. Close option, apply option, close and apply option, etc. Here is a place we have. Now, first go to this area. In this area, we have options. So this I want to remove only one record. I said two, but only one we need to remove now. If you remove second one, two records, both will gone. So we need to remove this record and we need to make this as column heading. Am I right? So how? Click on this corner, remove top rows. Here you mention one. Number of rows to remove, one. Click OK. Top one record removed. Now this is supposed to be column heading. So click on this, use first row as header. You can ask me, how do you know, sir? Since I practiced multiple times, I walked through multiple times, I'm able to remember. Even you practice and walk through, you can remember easily. So use first row as header, perfect, ready. So two operations completed. I clicked on it, remove top row, one row, use first row as header. Second, go to area location. I want to split this. Right click. See, there are two hyphens. You need to split. Right click, split column by delimiter. And mention here custom and mention here two hyphens. Only one. Click OK. Don't do anything. So it will divide into two columns, 1 and 2. But it is area. So double click on this, mention area. Double click on this, mention location. So whatever you expect to do, successfully completed. Proper shape, column by column. All columns are good and this is having proper split. Now go to this corner, close and apply. So the changes it will apply and then close. I made multiple changes. All the changes it will apply and then close. The window closed. So you will be back to the reporting area. So from reporting area to transformation area, you move. Now you are coming back to reporting area. So this is the one, and you want to see the data, click on this, you can see column by column properly available. Next. So one, first area, two, transforming. Shape is proper. Now three, modeling. Only one table. What type of relationship we establish? A single table, not applicable. Security, modeling level security concept available here. Security roles. I kept cursor over there, but not required now. So we need to go to visualization, this part. Fifth part. What I want to show, total amount I want to show. Take a card visual. So now I'm going to explain one visual. It will take single value. I will explain one more visual. Slicer, filtering. I will explain bar chart for comparing. I will explain pie chart for composition. Percentages composition. I will explain one more mapping visual to generate maps. So in this area, these 5 I will take and show you, just for your knowledge, in detail in the regular class. First one, card. Click card. It not required, minimize it. Card. Card for single value. So go to this. There are 2 sections. For every visual, first, second. And this is called data area, data section. So you'll mention the data here. Every visual common process. This is format area. Colors, fonts, style, sizes, alignments, all in this area we take. Again, this is 2 types. One is common to all visuals and visual specific formation. For a particular visual formation possible or common to all visuals also possible. Now, so this is a data area. Take amount, place here, drag and drop, or tick mark, anything is okay. So automatically sum it is taking, this is sum. So what I did, I drag and drop here. This is showing sum here. Now average I want. Click on this card. Average you want, sum in the fields area. But it's showing sum. How come I get average? There's a drop down available if you see this. If you click on it, drop down available. Select the required aggregate. For this card visual, I will select average. So average. I will take one more card. For this card, I'm taking sum, not sum, maximum value. Click on this, maximum spending. I'll take one more card. For this amount I want, click on this, minimum I want. Total, average, maximum, minimum. but I want to have a proper look and feel. So go to this data area completed. See, it's clearly asking add data to your visual. Now go to format area. In this area, two sections available. So these are visual specific, this visual specific. Call out value means this is a one. Category label means this is a one. Our general section common to all visuals. So in the general section level, you have a border concept, visual border, FX. For example, background color you want, go to a background color. You want to reduce the color type, reduce the color type. And you want a border for this border. Like this general option available. But only specific to visual, you need to do visual. Call out value. This value. Bold I require. 30 size only required. Simple. Color, blue color I want. But I don't want 1000 format. So display units, how do you want to show? Auto, none, 1000, million, billion, trillion. How you want to show? If you want to show the value in billions, select billion. If you want to show the value in million, select million. But I want to show the value without any specification, none. Then it looks like this. None indicate this. Similarly, this down one. Category label, bold, 15. And here the color, pink color. Looking good? Now I will minimize it. The same thing I want to apply here. That is also possible. No need to go to this and apply all the settings again. Highlight this visual under home menu, format painter available, this one. Highlight and format painter. Click on this, click on this. Click on this, click on this. Click on format painter, click on this. Task is done. So I will place here average value. I'll place here minimum value. I'll place here maximum value. Good. Now, but these should be changed according to year and month. Then take a slicer. This is a slicer. This is normal example. And in here year I want. So go to date, hierarchy, automatically created. I did not create like this. System reading like this, hierarchy way. I want year, drag and drop year in the data area. First I took slicer, data area level, year I drag and drop. It's not comfortable for me. Not a proper way to show. And I want the font and all bigger in viewing level. Then focus mode. It will show the visual data bigger for your easy analysis. And this is between end. User has to enter 2 years, then in between data it will take. So go to visual, so format your visual, slicer settings, because this format I want to change. So formation, slicer setting, you can take button. If you want to provide user button format, button. Yeah, let me take button format. Button, go back. It's looking like a button. I'll minimize it. Year end button. Come down. Slicer, this is called header. These are called values. Header, 30 size. Bold, take color, pink color. It's pink. And these color, value color, 20 size. Bold, blue. So if it's, I'll go to border, complete border. Click on it, general, effect, general option border. If you click 20, 2020 sum, average, minimum, maximum. 19 sum, average, minimum, maximum. This is how we will generate it. You want to clear the slicer? Clear the slicer here. You got clarity? Everyone? Now, I want month slicing also. Just go to visual, click on slicing. First click on slicer. Hardly 5 minutes. Hardly 5 minutes, stay tuned. And who all not provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide. You will receive demo video and document quickly. And also note down my contact number for your career guidance or any other discussions. Like you want to finish in less days. Or you want to know any information, call me on this number. Right, continuation. So this is slicer. I want month. Take a month. Jan, Feb, March. Now click on this. Slicer setting. This is a list. Vertical list. Yeah, vertical list. If you want button format, button format. If you want drop down format, drop down format. See drop down. And I will go for list only. Done. And I want to control. Go to slicer header. This is header. These are values. Header bold 30 size. A 20 size. This color. Value. Just value. These are called values. Bold 15 size. Color blue. General. Effect. You work on this. The routine options. But I don't want to see these many months. I just want July and August only. Possible. Go to filter. How to use filter I'm explaining. Go to filter. Here I don't want all the months. So filter and filter on the visual. In this visual, click on this drop down. And what are the months you want? Select it. July, August. Only 2 months. So in this visual, I need 2 months. So I move to filter pane and filter it. So I use data, I use visualization, I use filter also. One example. Now minimize it. If you click August month spending. If you click July spending. If you click 2020 July spending. This is button interaction. This is slicing interaction. You want to clear off both? Clear off. Clear off. Total all months, all years data. Total all months, all years data. Ready. What next? Business values, okay. I want to compare for which reason I spent more money, which reason I spent less money. Compare. Bar chart for comparing. So empty area, bar chart. Now asking me y-axis, what do you want to take? So this is y-axis. What do you want to take? I want to take reason. X-axis, this is x-axis. What do you want to take? Amount. Y-axis, x-axis. Explore bigger. So food and travel, I'm spending more money, and petrol and books, I'm spending less money. Even you can see the value in the tooltip. There's a green background and white letter. That is called tooltip. So it's clearly showing reason. Food, total money 1,34,900, and travel I spent and 46,000, and petrol I spent least amount 85,000. These are my top spendings. These are my bottom spendings overall. Next, I want to take border. Go to this FX, general FX, book normal. I want location. Which location, how much percentage money I spent. Then go to pie chart. Lessened. Lesson means which category you want to analyze. Location, value, amount. So always here we take category. Here we take measure value, number value. Now I will explore bigger and show you focus mode. This is just to show. Place cursor here. Visakhapatnam 40% spending and value 90,900. Hyderabad 91,650, 40% spending. And Vijayawada 15% spending and one more Suryapet 1.3% is like this. Every area, how much money I spent, clearly given. This is overall spending. I'll go to this FX visual border on. So this is talking about reasons, top and bottom, comparison, and this is talking about percentage composition. And I also want to see what are the locations I traveled geographically. In case you want to see the locations you traveled geographically, take geographical map visual. Map, take map. Place the map here. And location, I will take location column. It's showing the locations. I will explore bigger. Just location, nothing more than that. So these are the locations I travel. So Siddipet I travel, Hyderabad I travel, Khammam I travel. Only the travel locations pointed. But what about value spending? Come down, mention bubble size. Bubble size, these are called bubbles. Mention the size with amount. So wherever more spending, bigger bubble. So Visakhapatnam, more value. And Hyderabad, more value. Vijayawada, little less. And Khammam, very less. And Warangal is less. This is overall spending. I will go to this general effect border. Overall business total average this. Now I want only 19. So now it will change. See, 19 spendings are different. 19 locations are different. 19 business is different. 19 August. So all are changing. Changed. So this is called cross filtering. What do you call it? So when you select it accordingly, it is showing all the visuals. We call it as cross filtering. So if you go to 19 in August, 19 August, Visakhapatnam very poor, Hyderabad highest, second Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam last. This is how we will generate interactive visuals report. And this first you need to save before you share to customer. We cannot share this to customer. First we need to save. File menu, save as or save. I will rename here. Sorry, I will place it. Power BI, second demo, practice report. I did self-service BI, so self-service BI. What is the extension it is showing? PBIX. Guys, Word documents, .docx extension. PD and Excel documents, .xlsx extension. And this is Power BI, so .pbix is the extension. What is the extension? PBIX. So I'm saving it. So tell me everyone, is it easy or complex? Easy or complex? Very easy, right? So don't worry, I will tell you how these are related to each other because all are from the single table, automatically you will get. Backend Power BI take care of all those things. So I saved this one and as a document. Guys, whatever you prepared right now, it's a document. That's the reason PBIX. 2 minutes, I will close it. So documents. So guys, Power BI second demo. And it's not a report, it's a Power BI document which I saved. Why is a document? Many people not aware of it. Why it is document? People feel like this is a report. It is not a report. This is only report area. But here you are bringing the data, here you're transforming the data, you're modeling the data. Many things you are doing, so this is called a document. But only this part I need to share to customer, only this part. ఈ పార్ట్ మాత్రమే నేను కస్టమర్ షేర్ చేయాలి. ఎలా చేస్తాను? Because customer does not require data retrieval, data transformation, data modeling, all the areas. He just want a cute interface where he can interact with the visuals and take effective decisions. How is it possible? So in that situation, we need to move this report, publish to cloud. That time you require account. So using this account, you will publish, it will move to cloud. From the cloud, people will access. If it is a cloud process. If it is an on-premises process, the same report you need to move to server. To the server, people will connect. So the desktop is free, your report creation is free. But if you want to share to people, then for cloud, cloud account required, cloud storage required. For on-premises, on-premises server is required. Without that, it is not possible. Got clarity? Everyone okay? And today I give an understanding about Power BI Desktop, how to generate a report like this in easy, understandable way. For your practice, I already given one document. You can open and practice it. So in case you feel little faster, open video in slow mode and watch it, or else open this document, read and practice. Open with Adobe Reader. See guys. Demo example practical steps. One by one available. Everything. What is extraction? What is transformation? What is modeling? Security. Card visual, what it does. Table visual, what it does. Stacked bar, what it does. And then one by one clearly given all this stuff. Will you practice it? Please practice without fail so that you will come to know the complexity or ease of operations in Power BI. And conclusion for today, I planned for 2 demo classes. First demo, 20 minutes, I give an explanation. Sorry, not explanation, introduction. Next 40-50 minutes, I given data to fabric hierarchical history. And second demo level recap I given for 10 minutes and one beautiful practical I completed. In case you guys having your hostel data, your family data, or your other expenses data, you generate a report. Try creating today. If you stuck anywhere, call me on this number. I will help you on that. First, enjoy with the component, then join. And classes will be from Monday at 7 p.m., 7 to 8 p.m. daily from Monday. I have total 6 batches, but current batch is 7 p.m. batch. And clearly told you what we are going to provide, the videos, materials, everything. I explained in yesterday's video, kindly go through. Don't worry about videos and all. Systematically, you will get like this. And properly you will get. So coming to today's homework, open the videos folder. Go through the documents. Watch videos if required. Sufficient. Also look at content I'm going to cover. So this is a content. Power BI checklist, file menu, save as. And our batch is 7 p.m. I'm going to 7 p.m. Click save. All topics. 2 demos completed, yes. Are completed. So 2 hours completed, 2 demos completed. And Monday, this is the concept. Tuesday, this is the concept, like this one by one. That's all, guys. I'm stopping it.